How to download GTA San Andreas. Hello guys, this is Andreas and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download GTA San Andreas. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Steam. So yeah, first open up your Steam. So mine's not opening up for some reason. So yeah, there we go. So just open up your Steam, and while this loads up, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So after you're on your Steam, simply head over to the store, and after you're on store, head over to the search bar and search for GTA. Hit enter, and after you hit enter, you should be on this page right here. Now, after you're here, you should see an option called this Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, the definitive version. So after you're here, you should find an option to download this. So I'll just view this. Let me just put in my date here. And after you've done that, you should be able to just view the page. Make sure that you give your birthday so that you will be 18 plus. So after you're here, you should see an option called add to cart. Tap on add to cart. Now this will cost you some money and there is an offer going on, so yeah, you can get this in a lot cheap. And after you're here, simply tap on add to cart and then simply buy your cart, and that is how you can get GTA San Andreas. And that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.